guys, another great video on the channel, and in this video I just came up with this AMOLED home screen setup which will look perfect on your any smartphone devices. So let's see that how you can set up this on your Android home screen. So guys, the apps that I used in this video are simply icon packs for the icons, and here I uses two widgets which is on the top and the below of the home screen setup. So the top one is from the Magenta KWGT, which is numbered as 073, and the bottom one, the Google one, is from Neon Rock KWGT. So guys, these two are paid and the icon pack is also paid, but you will get the free download link in the description, so please don't forget to check it out. So guys, now I'm just going to show you a tutorial that how you can set up these two widgets on your home screen. So let's see that how you can do that. So you just need to download all the apps in the description, then you have to press on the home screen and go to the widget option. Now you have to search for the KWGT slot, and after finding that, you just need to drag it to your home screen. You can choose any size because you can just resize it like this. Now just go to that, and all the KWGT pack that you have downloaded on the smartphone will be appeared here. So now guys, after going to the Magenta KWGT, you can find the KWGT widget from the number that I have mentioned in this video. So guys, this is all about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and you can also comment me below if you have any suggestion or any question related to this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.